Hey everyone, welcome to FlexAndShred. Today we are going to go over some of the best and easy ways to lose weight. Make sure to watch till last way because it's one of the most amazing way to lose weight. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can help you with the best ways to lose and achieve your body transformation goal. The struggle with weight is more than just a physical battle. It's an emotional and mental test of wills where progress can often feel overshadowed by the looming specter of setbacks. But imagine if you had access to a treasure trove of knowledge, a source of unwavering support and guidance to light your way through the murky waters of weight loss. Today we embark on an enlightening journey into the heart of effective, sustainable weight loss strategies that are not only effective, but also enrich your life with joy and vitality. Stay with us as we peel back the layers of weight loss myths, uncovering the core principles of shedding pounds sustainably and fostering a lifestyle that radiates wellness. The first step is understanding weight loss fundamentals. Let's dive deep into the essence of weight loss, a topic much more complex than the often mentioned calories in, calories out. True, energy balance matters, but there's a world of difference in how our bodies process a calorie from a piece of cake compared to one from lean protein or a fresh vegetable. It's not just about counting calories, it's about understanding their source and impact on our body's metabolic dance. Now, imagine fueling your body in a way that every bite nourishes and supports your metabolic rate, energy levels, and muscle repair. That's where the balance of macronutrients comes into play. Proteins, for example, are not just essential for muscle building, they help you feel full longer, aiding in weight management. Healthy fats found in foods like avocados and nuts support cell growth and provide energy. And let's not overlook complex carbohydrates from whole grains and veggies, which are our body's primary fuel source. But what about the villain in our story? Excess sugar and processed foods. These culprits can disrupt our nutritional balance, leading to spikes in blood sugar and cravings that throw us off our game. It's like building a house with faulty bricks. They just won't stand the test of time. Switching gears to exercise, it's not just about burning calories. It's about choosing activities that elevate our metabolic rate, making our bodies more efficient at burning fat even when we're not working out. Think about it. Activities like high-intensity interval training and strength training don't just burn calories. They transform our body into a more efficient, fat-burning machine. Yet, there's another layer to this journey, the impact of sleep and stress. Ever notice how a bad night's sleep or a stressful day can lead to poor eating choices? That's because both sleep deprivation and high stress levels can wreak havoc on our hormones, particularly cortisol, which can lead to increased fat storage, especially around the midsection. So imagine weaving these threads together into a tapestry of well-being. It's not just about losing a few pounds. It's about creating a lifestyle where balanced nutrition, thoughtful exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management coexist. This approach doesn't just lead to weight loss. It paves the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. As we navigate this journey, let's remember, the goal is not just to see a lower number on the scale, but to build a foundation for a healthier, more fulfilled existence. By embracing these principles, we're not just shedding weight, we're gaining a deeper understanding and respect for our bodies and what they're capable of. Breaking through the weight loss plateau. Hitting a weight loss plateau can feel like running into an invisible wall. But what if I told you that this wall is not just an obstacle, but a milestone? Yes, it's your body's way of signaling for a change, an adaptation to your new, leaner self. Understanding and overcoming these plateaus requires a blend of physical adjustments, mental resilience, and sometimes a dash of creativity. Firstly, let's tackle the physical strategies. Your body is incredibly adaptable, becoming more efficient at exercises and dietary habits over time. When the scale seems stuck, it might be time to introduce some variety into your routine. Think about tweaking your diet. Are there nutrient-dense foods you haven't explored? Increasing protein intake and rotating your carb sources can reignite your metabolism. Similarly, shaking up your exercise regimen is crucial. If you've been jogging for months, Try swimming, or perhaps incorporate strength training. These changes can surprise your body, kickstarting further weight loss. However, the journey through a plateau is not just physical, it's profoundly psychological. Staying motivated when progress stalls is a test of mental strength. This is where the insights of psychologists come into play. Setting small, achievable goals can keep you focused and provide a sense of accomplishment. Also, practicing mindfulness and gratitude can shift your perspective, helping you appreciate the journey and not just the destination. Remember, weight loss is not linear. It's full of ups and downs. Embrace the process, celebrate small wins, and stay patient. Anecdotes from those who've broken through their plateaus often highlight a common theme: persistence. Take, for example, the story of someone who added intermittent fasting to their routine after months of a stagnant scale, or another who found success by joining group fitness classes for extra motivation. These stories underscore the power of not giving into frustration, but rather using it as fuel to explore new avenues. Lastly, let's not forget the importance of rest and recovery. Sometimes a plateau signals that your body needs a break. Adequate sleep, rest days, and even temporary breaks from calorie restriction can recharge your body and metabolism, setting the stage for renewed progress. Overcoming a weight loss plateau is a multifaceted journey that involves tuning into your body's needs, experimenting with new strategies, and nurturing your mental well-being. It's about transforming these plateaus from daunting barriers into opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Remember, each plateau is a stepping stone closer to your ultimate goal. With perseverance, adaptability, and a positive mindset, you can break through any plateau and continue on your path to a healthier, happier you. Nutrition, the cornerstone of weight loss. At the heart of every successful weight loss journey lies a fundamental truth. Nutrition is key. It's not merely about cutting calories, it's about enriching those calories with the nutrients essential for our well-being. Let's dive into how we can make every calorie count, turning nutrition into our most powerful ally in the quest for weight loss. Embarking on this nutritional voyage requires understanding the pillars of a balanced diet: variety, moderation, and nutrient density. A harmonious blend of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats lays the foundation of meals that are not just nourishing, but also satisfying. But how do we translate this knowledge into our daily lives? It starts with meal planning, a roadmap to healthy eating. By planning your meals, you equip yourself with a clear guide to navigate the week ahead, ensuring that your diet aligns with your weight loss goals. Smart grocery shopping is the next step. With a well-thought-out list in hand, you're less likely to fall prey to impulse buys that don't serve your objectives. It's about making informed choices, selecting foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. This is where the art of meal prep comes into play. Dedicating a few hours each week to prepare meals can transform your eating habits, making healthy choices convenient and accessible. But what about when we dine out or want to indulge in a treat? Here lies the importance of moderation. It's perfectly okay to enjoy your favorite foods occasionally. The key is not to deprive yourself, but to find balance. For instance, opting for grilled instead of fried dishes when dining out, or savoring a small portion of dessert. It's these smart, mindful choices that keep you on track without sacrificing the joy of eating. We also need to navigate the sea of nutritional myths that often lead us astray. Understanding the roles of carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in our diet is crucial. Carbohydrates aren't the enemy. They're a vital source of energy, especially when sourced from whole foods. Fats, too, are essential, provided they come from healthy sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. And proteins are the building blocks of muscle, important for both satiety and metabolic health. Remember, nutrition is more than just a component of weight loss, it's the cornerstone. By embracing the principles of a balanced diet, engaging in smart meal planning and prep, and making informed choices, you empower yourself to transform your relationship with food. It's a journey that's not just about losing weight, but about gaining a deeper appreciation for the role of nutrition in a healthy, vibrant life. Incorporating physical activity into your lifestyle. Imagine a world where exercise isn't a task on your to-do list, checklist, but a source of joy and an escape from the daily grind. This isn't just a dream, it's a very achievable reality. Physical activity, an indispensable ally in our weight loss journey, offers an endless variety that caters to every taste and lifestyle. It's about finding that spark, the kind of movement that not only strengthens your body, but also uplifts your spirit. Integrating exercise into our lives doesn't have to feel like a chore. It starts with setting realistic goals. Instead of aiming for marathon distances or heavyweight titles, consider what's achievable for you right now. Perhaps it's a 15-minute walk during your lunch break, a morning yoga session, or cycling to work. The key is to set goals that are both challenging and attainable, allowing for incremental progress and celebrating small victories along the way. Yet even with goals in place, mental barriers can sometimes keep us at bay. Overcoming these obstacles is as much about mindset as it is about action. Remind yourself that every bit of movement counts. Feeling unmotivated? Commit to just 5 minutes of exercise. The hardest part is starting, and you might find those 5 minutes turn into 15 or 30. Remember, consistency over intensity is what cultivates lasting change. For those of us with bustling schedules, incorporating exercise might seem daunting. Yet, it's about weaving movement into the fabric of our daily lives. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, have walking meetings, or engage in active play with your children. These moments of activity add up, contributing significantly to our health and weight loss goals without requiring blocks of time we think we don't have. Throughout this journey, let's draw inspiration from individuals who've transformed their relationship with exercise. From the busy mom who found solace in early morning jogs to the office worker who swapped a chair for a cycling desk. These stories highlight the transformative power of finding joy in movement. They remind us that when we find the type of physical activity that resonates with us, it ceases to be a burden and becomes a cherished part of our day. Embracing physical activity in our weight loss journey is about more than burning calories. It's about discovering the forms of movement that breathe energy into our lives. It's a celebration of what our bodies can do and a commitment to treating ourselves with care and respect. By setting realistic goals, overcoming mental hurdles, and creatively integrating exercise into our routines, we pave the way for a healthier, more vibrant existence. Let's not just move to lose weight, let's move to gain life. The role of mindset in weight loss. Embarking on a weight loss journey is akin to setting sail on the vast seas of personal transformation. It's not just the physical shifts that count, but also the profound mental and emotional evolution that accompanies them. Cultivating a mindset of positivity and resilience is essential, serving as your compass through the ebbs and flows of this journey. The foundation of a resilient mindset begins with goal setting. It's about identifying what's genuinely motivating to you and setting targets that are ambitious yet achievable. These goals should stretch you, yes, but they should also be kind and forgiving, allowing for the human aspect of setbacks and learning. Self-compassion plays a pivotal role in this narrative. It's the gentle reminder that your worth isn't tied to the scale, that progress isn't always linear, and that every step forward is a victory. Cultivating self-compassion means celebrating your efforts, forgiving your missteps, and treating yourself with the same kindness you'd offer a dear friend. In addition, the journey is made smoother and more joyful with a supportive network. Surrounding yourself with people who uplift and encourage you can make all the difference. This network, whether composed of friends, family, or a community of like-minded individuals, provides a safety net of motivation and accountability, keeping you focused and inspired. Diving deeper, mindfulness emerges as a powerful tool, illuminating the present moment and freeing you from the weight of past struggles and future anxieties. It's about embracing the now with all its challenges and triumphs. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and mindful eating, encourage a deeper connection with your body's cues and a more thoughtful approach to nutrition and exercise. Self-reflection further enriches this journey, offering insights into your motivations, triggers, and patterns. Understanding why you eat, what emotions drive your habits, and how you can channel stress and emotions in healthier ways is key to not just losing weight but maintaining these changes. Finally, mental health cannot be overlooked. It's the bedrock of your weight loss endeavor. Seeking guidance from mental health professionals and embracing strategies to enhance emotional well-being can provide a robust framework for success. Coping mechanisms for setbacks, like reframing negative thoughts and focusing on progress, not perfection, are invaluable. Similarly, strategies for maintaining long-term motivation, such as visualizing your goals and celebrating milestones, can keep the flame of progress burning brightly. The journey to weight loss is a tapestry woven from threads of physical effort, mental resilience, and emotional well-being. It's a path that challenges and changes you, demanding not just a shift in diet and exercise, but a transformation in how you think, feel, and relate to yourself and the world around you. By nurturing a positive, resilient mindset, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining a richer, more fulfilling life. Remember, the body achieves what the mind believes. On this journey, let your mind be your most powerful ally. Lifestyle changes for sustainable weight loss. The true essence of sustainable weight loss lies not in fleeting trends or drastic measures, but in the gentle yet powerful transformation of our daily lives. It's about crafting a lifestyle where healthy choices are not just options, but natural, automatic decisions woven into the fabric of our everyday routines. One of the simplest yet most profound changes we can make is prioritizing sleep. The restorative power of a good night's sleep cannot be overstated. It's when our bodies repair, our metabolism regulates, and our minds clear. But how do we ensure quality sleep? It starts with creating a serene bedroom environment, limiting exposure to screens before bedtime, and establishing a calming pre-sleep routine. This foundation of rest is critical for making informed, healthy choices throughout the day. Another pillar of a sustainable lifestyle is mindfulness, practice that extends beyond meditation to encompass a conscious approach to living. Mindfulness in eating, for example, encourages us to savor our food, eat slowly, and listen to our body's hunger cues, enhancing our relationship with food and preventing overeating. Similarly, mindfulness in our daily activities helps reduce stress and increase our enjoyment of life, further supporting our weight loss goals. Creating an environment that fosters healthy habits is also key. This can mean organizing your kitchen to make healthy food options more accessible or setting up a dedicated space for exercise at home. The goal is to remove barriers to healthy living, making it as effortless as possible to choose activities that nourish your body and spirit. Time management plays a crucial role as well. Allocating specific times for meal planning, grocery shopping, and physical activity ensures these essential components of health are not left to chance. It's about honoring the commitment to your well-being by making it a non-negotiable part of your schedule. Drawing inspiration from those who have walked this path, we hear stories of transformation that share a common thread: the embrace of gradual, sustainable changes. One individual found success by starting their day with a glass of water and a short walk, another by replacing evening TV time with a cooking class or book club. These stories highlight the diverse ways in which a health-focused lifestyle can be joyfully integrated into our lives, proving that the journey to weight loss and well-being is as unique as we are. Sustainable weight loss is less about drastic overhauls and more about integrating small, healthful practices into our daily lives. It's a holistic approach that values sleep, mindfulness, environmental cues, and time management as essential components of a healthy lifestyle. By adopting these practices, we don't just lose weight, we gain a richer, more vibrant life. Remember, the most profound transformations often come from the smallest of changes. As you move forward, let these principles guide you to a future where well-being is not just a goal, but a way of being. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos on the best ways to lose weight and much more. Check out this playlist of my insights on how home workouts to burn stubborn belly fat, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.